And yes, we spent $3,700 on all 4 of those units. Whew, all right, what is it? It is Thursday morning, and we are about to attend an auction. It's me and my good luck Junicorn. Time to see what we could do. Saved up a little bit of money, made a little bit of money this week, got some good eBay sales in, and now it's once again time to let it all ride. Time to see what we could do with $5,000. We all know I am not scared to bid. Comment below if you know what one of my mottos is. I'm not making it simple. It's not hustle, grind, or whine. But comment below in the comments right now what my other motto is about the storage business. The auction. I walk up to the auction and this man says he's trying to do an impersonation of the most gaudiest rings like mine he could possibly come up. This is what he comes up to, the LA Dodgers ring, guys. LA Dodgers.
Yeah, that's for sale. I'll trade for Oakland A's ring, by the way.
Nice.
It's Monday through Saturday from 8 to 3:30. That'll be for your deposits. It's a cash only auction, which we say sold, take payment at that time. Sales tax here is 8.375%. Unless you got a lot of resale. Deposits be left in the office. There will be a $100 deposit on each container here today. $100 deposit on each one. No going in the use to touch anything with the ground. No smoking during the auction, during cleanouts. You buy a unit, you gotta have your own lock. You don't have to sign in unless you buy. If you buy and haven't bought from us before.
It's a nightmare, man. Right here. Rock bottom nightmare, man. I think they might have lived on that hammock for a while.
34194BX. 34194BX. We'll start around $25 bid. Got 25 over here, about 40. Got 40 over here, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. Got 175 right here, number 2. I got 2 over here, now 225. Got a $200 bid right there for 225. 200 right there for 225. $200 bid, I got 225 over here, 250. Got 250 right here, 275. Got 250 right here for 275. $250 bid for 275. 250 over here for 275. Anyone said 275? Sold your way.
You were thinking I was? I don't have nothing to sell.
It's not that. That's not.
Finance. Look at Camaro. It's kind of too loud.
You're always too loud. It's kind of your thing.
Kennedy toolbox.
That's a good way to do it, huh?
Start about $25 bid. About $10 bid. Got 10 over here, about 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Got 225 right here, 250 over here, 275. Got 250 over here for 275. $250 bid right there for 275. 250 over here for 275. Anyone said 275? Hold your way, 250.
Son de los sillones floreados.
Okay. What is this thing?
Wow.
In 10 years, you could have.
Tape on a tape.
No, that's moving.
This one right here, we're starting out $25 bid. Got a $10 bid right here, over 20. Got a $10 bid over 20. Got a $10 bid right over 20. 10 right here, over 20. Wilson at 20. Sold your way, $10. B35, we're starting out $25 bid. About $10 bid. $5 bid. $1. Anybody? Going once? Going twice? $1? That'll be a no sale. This one right here, we'll start about $25 bid. Got 25 over here, about 40. Got 40 over here, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 125, 150. I got 400, 425.
Yeah.
Got 425, 450, 475, 500, 550, 6, 650, 7, 750, 8, 850, 9. I got 850, 850 right here for 90. What's it at 9? Soldier. Cool.
You know that wood cabinet in front of this? You know, they got like a record player, open top record player or something?
It could be.
Maybe a bar. Can't really tell none of them. It's all gamble. Hope it's a Chris. Wine Chris.
Inside the toilet. It's inside the toilet. Oh, that's a good one. Don't make your arm in there, man.
They'll block it. Check the pin.
We buy it?
I said, how are you close to somebody?
Oh, it's not sorted yet. It's even better. Come in a good unit now. He was alive.
You think every unit's a good unit?
EX, who's from out $25 bid. Got 25 right here, 40, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. Got 150, 200, 250. About 225, 225, 250, 275, 300, 325, 350, 375, 4, 425, 450, 475, 5, 550, 6, 650, 7, 750, 8, 850, 9, 950. Got 9 over here. How about 9 at 950, 1,000. Got over 11, ain't what's selling. I got 11 over here, 1150. Got 1100 right here, over 1150. 1100 look for 1150. 11 right here, over 1150. And what's selling 1150? Sold your way, 1100. I'm right here, I'm standing in front of. We'll start out $25 bid. Got 25 over 50, 75.
400.
400. I got 4, 425. I got 5, 550, 650, 7.
8.
I got 8 over here, 850. I got 9, 950, 1,000, 1,050, 1,100. I got 11 over here, 1150. Got $1,100 bid, look for 1150.
Yeah.
Got 1150, 12. 1250. Got 12 over here, look for 1250. $1,200 bid for $1,250. 12 right here for $1,250. Anyone say $1,250? Sold your weight, $1,200.
What?
No, it's a good unit.
All right. These aren't as big as people think they are. You know?
Yeah.
That one I like.
We're not looking at 10 by 30s.
24.
That's
Not everyone
15
is
feet.
15, not everyone.
They're not
The
20
other
foot.
one's 16.
Yeah. The big ones are
Yeah.
15.
You know 20 foot Julio?
This is 20.
And they're not 10 feet wide either. They're only like 7 feet.
No, 8.
The last one, the dad's poking off.
1, 2, 3 are all the same tinning. Starting at the refrigerator to that third one.
Not a lot of boxes.
Is that red fur?
이거 책에 사는 거 같지 안 그래? 아이고 이거면 내가 샀던 거지.
Some serious rap
So I'm
in here.
selling these containers starting over here, so if you're interested, come back this way.
Hey, Robert.
Yeah. Is that gerbil food or something?
I think it's pellets for
That's like
stove.
That's like 40, 50 bucks. I know people think those are expensive. That's 40, 50 bucks for that. Unless you do better in your store, I'm just saying.
See that?
Oh, a box? Yeah.
That's live action.
They said
Andrew Gabor.
There's like 6 of them.
Big TVs or what?
I don't think so. They're too big for
It's
that.
a Crossway
Probably a box of boxes.
collection. Glass top file cabinet. Oh god. Okay. What? Yeah, no, I know what that one is. I know this is a file cabinet.
Big fold of those boxes.
Well, I don't want to look like it's in it, but they're money. They're not cheap. Oh, they're only doing they're not cheap.
Espresso.
What we ask, Mike? Those mattresses in the back,
This one, right?
got 500 to start it. We'll go 525. Got 500 to go 725.
I'm gonna try if I have the money. Right? Can't buy one, you gotta buy all 3. These 3 units all belong to the same owner. I don't see nothing extravagant, but I see like decent stuff.
B106, we'll start about $25 bid. Got 25 over here, I'm about 40. I got 40 over here, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 3, 325, 350, 375, 4, 425, 450, 475, 5, 550, 6, 650, 7, 750, 8, 850, 9. I got 850 right here for 9. $850 bid for 9. 850 right here for 9. Anyone see that 9? Sold your way, 850.
So you realize the next two same owner, right?
Yeah.
106, we'll start my $25 bid. I got 25 over here, I'm on 40. Got 40 over, I got 200, 225.
700.
Got 7, 8,
1,000.
1,000, 11, 12, 13. Got 12 right here over 13. Got a $1,200 bid over 13. 12 right here over 13. Anyone say that 13? Sold your way, 1,200. The one I'm standing in front of right here. I got 600 to start. It'll go 625. I got $600 bid over 625. I got 625, 650, 675, 7, 725, 750, 775, 8, 825. I got 8 over here over 825. $800 bid over 825. 8 right over 825. Anyone say 825? Sold your way.
That's how you do that.
05, One's of John. No problem. Thank you, Alan. 5, 2, 6. You don't want to dig in your units yet?
No.
Just a little bit.
Brand new furniture. Here, open that one. What is the
Go ahead.
quality?
Go ahead.
What is the quality that one?
A crossbow, see that?
No, it's not crossbow. Listen, what is the name?
Crossbow.
No. Oh, the crossbow, yeah. Not a bow, it's a crossbow, exactly.
We're gonna open up one box here to look for the quality of stuff. Baseball caps are gonna be a good sign because if they took care of their hats, that means they took care of their stuff, right?
Or maybe it's like an age.
Looks like older. Looks like an older
Look,
person's
the
stuff.
age is really old.
What is this one?
It's old.
That is kind of. That's actually kind of cool.
A little bit dirty. It's
That's
really,
eBay, even though
really
it's
old.
Bears. Ooh,
Look at that.
look at that. Wow, 1950.
I mean, it's not new, but it's a good thing. It's not new.
No, this is gonna be a good unit, I think.
Yeah. Old silver is sit down here. You just don't find it.
Opa! This is, looks like glasses.
It looks like a kitchen box, huh?
Yeah, this is kitchen. It looks nice. Listen, foldable.
Look at that. We hebben een griltower. $20 duur, brand new.
Nice. And yes, we spent $3,700 on all 4 of those units. You're gonna have to stay tuned. There's gonna be several unboxings, several. You're gonna must see. There's everything you want to see in a storage unit is in this unit. You will not want to miss the incredible finds in this one. Like, share, subscribe.